Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi Q3 2.0 TDI 40 Vorsprung S Tronic quattro. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5V-spoke alloy wheels with the two-tone finish really complementing against the red exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the Alcantara and leather upholstery in black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passenger with the utmost comfort for any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options and buttons for your information panel, and of course you also have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 77,716 miles, however this is subject to change. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go. You also have a navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. Along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps. You also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on Audi Q3 2.0 TDI 40 Vorsprung S Tronic quattro that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.